there, welcome to Language Lounge.
This is a laid-back space where my co-host,
Hi.
friends, even students, and I have friendly conversations in English about all kinds of topics.
Laid-back space، فضای آرام. Friendly conversations، گفتگوی دوستانه. Co-host، همکار مجری.
Here's the twist. While we chat, we highlight useful new words and expressions you can use in real-life conversations.
Twist، نکته جالب. Highlight، برجسته کردن. Real life situations، موقعیت‌های واقعی.
Most English lessons focus on grammar and teach isolated vocabulary, right? But sometimes we don't know how to use those words in real conversations.
Focus on، تمرکز داشتن بر. Isolated vocabulary، واژگان جدا از کاربرد.
So hit that subscribe button and let's learn together. One relaxed conversation at a time.